Hello, today there is a way to solve the problem of connection for T800 and get up error network level authentication. How to fix it? Let's take a look. First of all, I will remote go into a half machine first in order to test whether I can connect to the server or not. I try to press connect. Message remote error network level authentication. This one, I am unable to connect to the server. How to solve it? Go to the option tab and check the box under Enable Network Level Authentication. And press OK, then try to connect again. Enter user. Press confirm. I can go into the device that I want to enter, and then finish the process.